I'm here with Kirk from Buzz Music, and we're here in the new shop, which has only been open how many weeks?
3 weeks now.
3 weeks, and tell me about the move. What's happened here, and tell me about the new shop.
Yeah, we got a brand new shop, 467 Mulgrave Road, 2 floors, pretty awesome guitar collection downstairs, nice piano selection upstairs. 12 car parks and full disabled access.
Well, excellent. Yeah, because the other place didn't have a lift, is that right?
No lift, which was a bit of a shame for people in wheelchairs, but we can accommodate them now, so that's good.
Certainly. So, please tell me a little bit about the recording we're doing today and the mics you've got set up to do that.
Yeah, so we're going for a pretty traditional laid-back approach to recording, trying to do it all in single takes, minimal overdubs, going for a very warm vintage sound. So we're using the ribbon mics pretty heavily for the main vocals and for the main guitar, and then a couple of large capsule diaphragm condenser mics for room mic and backing vocals.
Great, and what's your audio interface of choice?
I'm using a Universal Audio Polo Twin. So yeah, great pre's, great converters, and good processing power on board.
Great, and everything we see here, is this available at Buzz to buy?
Yeah, absolutely. And even the magic behind the scenes, that's all available as well, so the interface, the software.
Great, and you choose Cubase?
Yeah, I personally do. I've tried a few over the years, and I just find Cubase has everything I need it where I need it, and good feature sets, and they update very frequently. So if there's new features that other recording software happens to get the one up on them, Cubase will implement it pretty quickly.
Sure. As a Cubase user myself, I first used Cubase version 1 for Windows in 1993, which came on one floppy disk.
Yep.
And so a floppy disk is 1 megabyte.
Yeah.
Or thereabouts. So
I think I downloaded a 14 gigabyte sample pack for the new Cubase update the other week.
Yeah, it's changed over the years, and for someone like myself who's a Cubase user, it is fantastic. And if you're getting into digital recording, Cubase is a place to look. And there's 3 versions that I know of: the Elements version through to a professional version.
Yeah, Elements Artist Pro, and there's a free one that comes with interface called AI.
AI.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Yeah. So I'm using Pro, which is the whole shebang. But the thing that I've found is most people could probably get away with the Elements or the Artist, and there's really only about 3 or 4 features that I couldn't live without out of the Pro, but they're pretty high-end features.
One feature that you couldn't live without?
There's actually one called Vary Audio, where you can elastically stretch individual parts of a performance. So if a single syllable is late in a backing vocal, you can just grab that syllable and nudge it. And in the same framework, you can take that syllable and pitch correct it.
I see.
Yeah.
I understand how that could help sometimes.
Yeah, very handy.
Excellent. Okay, Kirk, thanks for that, and thank you very much.
My pleasure.
So here we are at Buzz Music today, and we have the winner of the Tablelands Folk Festival Songwriters Competition. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, g'day. My name's Ruben Dwyer. I go under the pseudonym of Quarterhorse for recording purposes and for playing live. And I'm lucky enough to be here today recording an EP and recording the song, a redo of the song of which I won in the competition, which is for a song called Transmissions. But I've rewritten it a bit, and it's now called Sunsmoke. And that's one of the songs out of 5 songs which I'm recording today. And a really big thanks to Buzz Music for supporting local music and allowing me this opportunity to do a recording. It's great. So really thrilled.
You've been recording here for a couple of hours now, and so you won a few hours recording time at Buzz Music, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it was 6 hours recording and a few other little bits and pieces which got thrown in. And and as anyone out there knows, it's you can try recording at home, but nothing beats a professional studio with great professional people to help you record. So people like Kirk and Leanne who are helping us out today. So really big thanks to them. Yeah.
Great. Congratulations, and look forward to hearing the EP.
Thanks so much. Good on you. Thank you.
Have tried all of those alternative therapies, but it would seem that there is only one remedy. when you can't get to sleep. Was 2 little white pills and a whiskey neat. Where's 2 little white pills and a whiskey neat? A hot dog dinner and then something sweet. And when nothing else will do the trick, well, it's an alcohol breakfast, pharmacy sleep. Well, I wish all the sheep would come and tell me the secrets of sleeping, sweet dreaming free from all the tomorrows that are near. So now it's gin on ice and pseudo-ephedrine. Well, it's 2 little white pills and no whiskey neat. A hot dog dinner and then something sweet. And when nothing else will do the trick, well, it's an alcohol breakfast, pharmacy sleep. Well, I'm trying to ease all of our anxieties, face up to all of its complexities. Well, meditation, yoga, tai chi are no substitute for codeine and 3 sugar tea. Well, it's 2 little white pills and a whiskey neat. A hot dog dinner and something sweet. When nothing else will do the trick, well, it's an alcohol